so I know someone here from the parts department. So she said that they're gonna move my car, put it in this facility here. Right now, I'm sitting outside, all vulnerable, and it's concerning, man. I don't want this shit sitting out here with the damn keys in it. Somebody say, "Ooh, keys," and then take it out for a 10-minute drive, because after that, it's gonna fucking start overheating and smoking and making a scene. And whoever's driving it is not gonna be happy. And then they're gonna abandon it in the middle of fucking Ingle Street, sideways, looking nuts. Alright, I'm over-exaggerating, but I'm just saying, man. Fucking keys are in here, man. I don't leave my baby out here. I just got it going. But yeah, so it's here at Subaru in Inglewood. Man, I drove it. It started smoking like crazy. And I'm like, oh my god. That shit's gonna catch fire. I'm gonna burn to death like the what do you call that GR Corolla video. Man, that car is dope. They say that's the replacement of the STI. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just as lively, but it's got its bugs here and there. But yeah, this is where she sits. I got her detailed. She's looking like before. Not super great, but good enough. Like I said, these taillights. Oh my goodness. Taillights. I just want to get her fixed first, find out what's wrong with her before I start going cosmetic again. But I think that's going to be the move. Or what do you guys think? You think I should fix this up, or should I just get the GR Corolla? Should I go rock out with the GR Corolla, or the Civic Type R, or the new WRX? Psych, I hate that car. It's fucking gross. I can't believe they went that route. Car looks terrible. But I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Fix her up, get her going. Hopefully there's nothing too crazy about her. I don't think so. I think this is a Spider. Get out of it. Oh, Spider shell. That's what that was. So here she is. She's looking pretty, y'all. She's looking pretty. Can't wait to get her going again. She rides good, other than smoking up. You know, everything, you know, she cranks over, she's idles well. It's just that she needs a tune-up. Everywhere, a tune-up. Well, I'm loving it. I'm loving her again. She's fun. She's a fun ride. 15 years old, not bad. Not bad for a 15-year-old car.